Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Today I'm going to be tackling my car. I don't know why, but cleaning my car is literally the last thing I like to clean, honestly, and that's probably why it looks this disgusting. I'm one of those people that kind of throws crap in their car and just forgets about it. So yeah, before winter comes, I want to get it cleaned out and organized, and I think it'll just make my space and happiness a lot better. I will be giving you some tips and tricks as I go along. So I will bring a box out for things I want to keep, and then obviously a trash bag out for things that needs to be thrown away. So that's what I'm doing right now. The majority of the mess is in the back seat and in my center console area. So let's get into it. So my first plan of attack, which I have been doing for a little bit, is just cleaning out the car of the excess stuff, putting the trash away, and taking out things that I want to keep but don't belong in the car. So real quick, because this thing is made very well, that's the canopy that we have for Chubby whenever he sits in the car. It's normally in Shane's car, but I had to take Chubby somewhere, so it was in my car at that time. It's really well made, and I think we got it on Amazon, so I will definitely link it below. So right here, I'm just vacuuming out my backseat carpet area. I did bring out my Dyson Animal V11 for this job just because it's small, it's easy to get into tiny spaces, and it is pretty powerful. The only thing it didn't work very well on was the hair. Lots of Chubby hair and lots of my own hair, so that's just in general difficult to get out. So I brought out two different attachments for my Dyson to clean up the car, and this one definitely worked best on the floor mats, so enjoy the satisfying floor mat cleaning. I'll keep on dreaming out loud
tonight. You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you.
I do want to mention the leather cleaner I use. This is from Armorall. It's called Leather Care, made from beeswax, and it works very well. I have matte leather seats. So I don't like the shiny finish on leather seats, so this really retains the mattness, I guess. I don't know anything about cars, but it doesn't make my leather seats super shiny, which I enjoy. And I just use my multi-fiber towel. So for the plastics in my car, I just use the Armorall detailer spray. Works very, very well. Again, I just use a multi-fiber towel, but a different one from the leather cleaner, because you're not supposed to put leather spray on your plastics.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies.
Alright, so I've moved up to the front part of my car. I'm obviously on the driver's side. I'm just vacuuming out a little bit, and I will be taking out the floor mats and vacuuming those as well.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again.
And I know it's hard to tell, but I am using the leather spray for my steering wheel, but I will be using the detailer spray for everything else.
I know that we can save it, 'cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again.
So I know it kind of goes without having to say it, but just with COVID and everything that's going on, it's really important to clean the surfaces that you touch all the time. And I tend to forget about my car and how much I touch the inside of my car, like the Prindle. Shout out to you if you know what that reference is from, the steering wheel, things like that. So just a little reminder, make sure you keep your surfaces clean.
We are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega.
So I'm not sure why I didn't film this part, but it is pretty important because everybody pretty much has a screen in their car. You don't want to clean your screen with any type of spray. The best thing to use is an alcohol wipe, or just wipe it off with a multi-fiber towel because you don't want to damage the electronics in your car.
I know we can save it, 'cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. 'Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. Alpha and Omega, Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can.
Super difficult to see in the sunlight, but I do have Magic Candle Company car air fresheners. I do get them in my subscription box. I will have a link down below for a 10% off coupon for you if that's something you're interested in. They don't just have candles and essential oils, they also have car smell good air freshener. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to think. Shane uses the Bath & Body Works car air fresheners, and they work very well too, so I like both. So this is the nasty aftermath in my Dyson. Basically a ton of dirt and Kacey hair. So, kind of gross. And this is what the inside of my car looks like now. I can't even express to you how much better I feel every time I get in the car now. I do spend a lot of time in my car. I drive a lot. We live kind of far out from everything, so we are in our cars a lot. So just having it all clean and shiny makes me feel a million times better.
Break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Sadly, no Chubby in this video outro. He was inside. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment down below. like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys. Bye.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me.